Hello guys, what's up? What's up? It's me Travis and I am back today with a new unboxing video of the Fluid Pro AI GoPro gimbal. So basically this is a multitasking device gimbal stabilizer with AI tracking. AI tracking is basically when you start moving from side to side, up and down, the gimbal will follow you. This is the front of it. It works also with your cell phone and also the GoPro. That's amazing what GoPro had did. So we are about to unbox this baby right now and see what's inside this case right here. So first, we're gonna actually tear it. GoPro gave us a easy way of tearing it open without actually tearing the box. Same tag that was on the GoPro when you first open it. It's the same way that they did it with this pack. So we're gonna just take this baby out, toss that on the floor. So automatically it comes with a briefcase thingy to carry your gimbal in. It's basically a little bit of hard shell, soft shell too. It says GoPro on here. So if you actually take this and just unzip it, we're gonna actually see what's inside the case. That's what we excited to see what's inside it. Automatically at the top, you have the little tripod that screws underneath the gimbal to, hold it up on like a desk, a table, or anything like that. That you want to just sit it down. You don't want to always carry it. And also, what's inside this box is, let's see. So, you have a USB-C to USB-C charging cord. That could be either used for the gimbal to charge it or for your cell phone when you have your cell phone or your GoPro that's connected to the gimbal to charge it so that it doesn't run out of battery. So, we're going to put that to the side. We have another USB-C. Hold up. We don't want to break it. We have another USB-C to USB-C, but this one seems like it's actually for the gimbal to charge your devices because it like actually stretches out. So you don't actually have to worry about like a cord like either tangling up or anything like that. So that actually, it comes in handy because it like stretches. So you don't have to worry about just a straight cord or it might break or anything like that. But let's put that to the side. What else do we have? We have the stand for the GoPro. So you'll screw your GoPro on top of here. And you'll take the key, which GoPro gave us. You'll take this key and you'll just put that in there. And basically you'll just screw it in. Make sure your GoPro is tight enough on this stand so that it doesn't fall or doesn't move while you're trying to record a video with the stabilizer. So underneath, you can actually adjust it. You take a little quarter. You don't really need a screwdriver. Take a little quarter, unscrew it, and you can actually move this to either the end or wherever you desire to move it. So that's interesting about this gimbal right here. So we're gonna put that to the side. So now what we excited to get out is the gimbal. So right now you have a big strap. I prefer the strap because of the fact it keeps the gimbal, mounted so that when you moving or traveling with it, it doesn't like bounce around in the box, even though the box it zips up, but you don't want your gimbal like, bouncing around or anything. So this is actually the GoPro gimbal. So you have a little wheel on the side. You have some buttons on the side too. R and B. You have the controller going left, right, up, down, and stuff like that. You have the T and the W, which is zooms in and zooms out. And you have the mode button, right? On the other side, you have a USB-C port, and you have the power button. Now, it seems like you have another mount thing on the side right here that you can screw in something over there and, add on to this gimbal. But at the top, what I'm interested in is basically you have the holder for the cell phone. So this is a good thing that GoPro actually did because of the fact they made a gimbal that works not only for the GoPro but for your cell phone too. So if you don't have your GoPro on you or your GoPro is dying or anything like that, you could just attach your cell phone and use this as a stabilizer. Now, right here, this baby right here. So this is the camera that tracks you, and this is a bright light that you can turn on when you're filming at night when you don't have that much light. Now you have the latches right there to unattach this and reattach. You have a latch down here that if your cell phone or your GoPro is not weighted right, you can actually like move it from side to side or move it up or down. So you can fool around with that. In the back, you have a trigger that functions different, that has different functions. And you also have a lock button that if you push it down, it unlocks this. If you push it up, it locks it. So I like that feature because they lock it so that it doesn't move. If you unlock it, it'll freely move like that. Underneath, you can actually put this on a tripod. So you could just screw it in at the bottom on the tripod and basically have your gimbal track you with your cell phone or your GoPro. So, and you also have a button on the dial right here that works with the functions over here. So we're gonna actually get this baby set up and we will be back with the test. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for more from me, myself, Travis. I hope you guys actually liked the video. Please send a like right there and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Alrighty, deuces.